Alright guys, I hit this peavey valveking cabinet, and well, I saw a deal on Craigslist. This guy was selling just the speakers for 80 bucks in this old crate, but they're 8 ohm, and I didn't think about that until after. So I've got this cab, and then I got the bottom cab, very similar one, except for that one has a switch on it, and it also can do stereo. So I have never really cared for these. I hate to throw them away. I don't know what to do with them. So I'm gonna pull them out of here. God, I guess I'll put them in this cab here and put these in here. I've got no room for anything. I'm just surrounded by shit. So I gotta do something. So we're gonna pull these out of this. This cab is made really nice. It's not particle board like the back of this one, or OSB. So hopefully the Celestians sound really good in here.